Okay, with an unspeakably evil combination of a universal drive and a half to 3/8 adapter, I managed to break the bolt loose. What do you know? So, they don't tell you that, huh? Now I should be able to get it out with the other key. Or by hand actually, soon. So I guess that's a lesson. You really do have to get this guy out without removing the other stuff. I don't know. This seems crazy. I mean, I have everything out, but there's still more stuff. So now the turbocharger is loose. Yay. Right, and now I believe I can go ahead and do the whole poly drive thing, which I was precipitately planning to do a little bit earlier. Now the cylinder head should lift off.